From here, we're going to take it onto your sides for some hip work and side work. So lay on your left side, bring your left leg straight out, cross your right foot over your left knee, lay on your left side, and then squeeze your left leg up as much as possible. So you're squeezing your inner left thigh to your right leg. Make sure the toes face directly to the outside. Don't turn them up, and don't try to just lift your ankle. Lift the leg. This is strengthening your adductor. This is responsible for bringing your legs in toward the middle. And it's incredibly important for your knees and your back. When this muscle is weak, it causes back pain. Drive it up a little bit higher. Just squeeze for 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Release. And from here, take it into a side plank. So rest on your left forearm, stack your knees, lift your hips away from the floor, and you can bring your right hand to your right hip, just like this, and really drive the hips up. The more you can get your hips up, the more you feel the flank of your body, so your obliques and your outer left hip, the better this is going to be. And try to maintain that normal breathing. 2 more breaths, or about 15 seconds. Hips up a little bit higher, using that outer hip, using your core strength. And release down. Nice job. Flip it over. We're going to do the other side now. So lying on your right side, cross your left foot over your right knee. Rest on the right side of your body. Keep your hips and your torso facing to the outside. And then lift your right leg up as high as possible, squeezing the inner thigh toward your left thigh. Now, if this is new for you, you might notice that your leg is uncontrollably shaking, and that's okay. That's normal. That's good. That means that your muscle is fatigued, and it's going to get stronger as a result. As long as you eat some food, that muscle will get stronger. So squeeze that leg up, flex your toes toward you, keep the toes facing out, lift up a little bit higher, and give it 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, release. And then from here, take it into a side plank. Rest on your right forearm, stack your knees, lift your hips away from the floor. Again, driving your hips up. You can rest your left hand on your left hip here. Roll back the top of your left shoulder so your chest is facing directly to the outside, not facing down. And then lift up a little bit higher for just a couple more breaths. And again, we really want to feel the outer hip and your obliques working here. That's the outside, or kind of the side of your core or your abdominal muscles. Maybe extending the left arm up if you'd like, but it's not necessary, and it truly doesn't add much. Give it 1 more breath. And release down. All right, nicely done.